Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software. Here are some key benefits that Excel provides to experienced professionals. Data analysis and visualization. Excel allows professionals to organize, manipulate, and analyze large datasets quickly. Pivot tables, charts, and graphs help visualize data trends and patterns, enabling professionals to make informed decisions. Efficient data management. With Excel, you can create structured databases, sort and filter data, and perform data validation. This helps professionals manage and maintain organized records and information. Advanced formulas and functions. Experienced professionals can leverage complex formulas and functions in Excel to perform advanced calculations, such as financial modeling, statistical analysis, and scenario planning. Automation and macros. Excel's built-in automation features, along with Visual Basic for Applications (VBA), allow professionals to automate repetitive tasks, saving time and reducing errors. Project management. Excel's grid-based structure is ideal for creating project schedules, task lists, and Gantt charts. Professionals can track project progress, deadlines, and dependencies effectively. Financial analysis. For professionals in finance, accounting, or related fields, Excel is invaluable for tasks like budgeting, forecasting, cash flow analysis, and creating financial reports. Reporting and dashboards. Excel enables professionals to create dynamic reports and interactive dashboards. This is particularly useful for summarizing and presenting complex data to stakeholders. Collaboration and sharing. Excel supports real-time collaboration through features like co-authoring, allowing multiple professionals to work on the same spreadsheet simultaneously. Files can also be shared via cloud platforms. Data validation and quality. Excel offers data validation tools to ensure accuracy and consistency in data entry. Professionals can set validation rules to prevent incorrect or incomplete data. Scenario analysis. Professionals can use Excel to create models that simulate different scenarios based on varying inputs. This is useful for decision-making in uncertain situations. Data integration. Excel can connect to external data sources, such as databases and web services, allowing professionals to import and refresh data automatically. Career growth. Proficiency in Excel is often a sought-after skill for many job roles. Mastering Excel can enhance a professional's career prospects and open doors to roles that require strong analytical and data management skills. Customization. Experienced professionals can customize Excel to suit their specific needs. They can create custom templates, add-ins, and user-defined functions to enhance productivity. Training and skill enhancement. Professionals can further enhance their skills by learning advanced Excel techniques, such as Power Query, Power Pivot, and advanced charting methods. Continuous learning. Excel is a versatile tool with a vast array of features. Professionals can continually learn and explore new functionalities, staying updated with the latest improvements and capabilities. Overall, Microsoft Excel is a tool that can significantly boost the efficiency, effectiveness, and analytical capabilities of experienced professionals across various industries. Thank you very much. Subscribe to @GSW291 for more videos.